This is how you be a chainsaw when you're a dog. Get that tree, Max! Get that tree, chainsaw! Maxie Repair Shop. Maxie likes to be a chainsaw, taking trees down. Get more, Max! Go, boy! Watch him go, watch. Up! Go, boy! Come on, get it, boy! Get it, Max! Yep, that's Max. He likes trees. Get that tree, Max! Max likes trees. It's the morning dental floss, you know? That's what he does. Get that tree, Max! Come on! Up! There you go! You having fun, Max? Get that tree, Max! Maxie the puppy likes to be a chainsaw. You missed. You're fired. You're fired. Yeah, you better get that tree, boy. No. Back the I should get the other one. Get the other tree, Max. Get that one. Yeah. Max likes trees.